Want to capture stunning photos and edit like a pro? Whether you're a complete beginner or an aspiring photographer, the Photography and Editing Masterclass by High Skills Training is your complete guide to creating beautiful, professional quality images. This powerful bundle includes 3 expert-led courses: landscape photography, night photography, and photo editing. You'll master everything from camera settings and composition to low-light techniques and professional editing workflows. Struggling with lighting, framing, or post-production? We've got you covered. You will learn to shoot breathtaking scenes and transform your images using industry-standard tools. Perfect for personal projects, social media content, or starting your creative career, this CPD-accredited training helps you build confidence behind the camera and at the editing desk. This fully online, self-paced, and CPD-accredited course provides you with the confidence to learn from anywhere, anytime, with 24/7 support and a 14-day money-back guarantee. Enroll now and bring your vision to life through the lens.